Have you ever wondered what it takes for someone to rise above adversity? To keep going when everyone else gives up? What's that secret sauce that makes greatness possible? Some people seem to have it, don't they? That unstoppable drive, that spark. The world may throw them curveballs, but they just keep going. Why is that? Meet Factor X. It's the hidden force inside some people that drives them to achieve what seems impossible. But here's the twist. It's not about intelligence or money. Nope. It's about something deeper. Something you can't see, but you can feel. Factor X first caught the eye of a remarkable man, Viktor Frankl. Frankl was a psychiatrist who survived the Holocaust, and what he discovered about survival in the most extreme circumstances changed everything. He didn't believe the strongest or smartest survived the camps. It was the people who found meaning, purpose, and inner strength. They had Factor X, and it helped them survive when everything else failed. But what does Factor X look like? It's not about being perfect. It's about resilience. It's the ability to rise again when life knocks you down. It's the fire inside that keeps you going no matter the challenge. People with Factor X don't wait for life to be easy. They understand that the struggle is part of the story. So, what do they do differently? They face hardship, not with fear, but with a quiet confidence. They embrace discomfort because they know that's where growth happens. They live with purpose, and most importantly, they never give up. You might be wondering, can I develop Factor X? Absolutely. It's not a gift for just a few. It's something you can build in yourself. To start, get clear on your values. What do you believe in? What's your why? Push yourself out of your comfort zone. Serve others. And most importantly, stay true to your path, even when it gets tough. Take a moment to think of those who've changed history. Gandhi, Mandela, Mother Teresa. They had Factor X. No army, no riches, just a deep inner strength that helped them accomplish the unimaginable. They didn't have the easiest lives, but they had purpose. They had Factor X. So now we ask you, what's your Factor X? What's the fire inside you that'll keep you going, no matter what life throws your way? Remember, Factor X isn't a mystery. It's within you, just waiting to be unlocked. Let's find it together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Spree for more inspiring stories and lessons. Keep going, and remember, you've got this. See you in the next video.